Hello friends, welcome to our channel Chemistry with SK.
The next is how buffer solution is prepared. As we have recently talked about a buffer solution, how buffer solution is prepared. So for the formation of buffer solution, we have to use some equation, and that is known as Henderson equation. So by using Henderson equation, we can determine how much quantity is required. It means we should calculate the amount of that material required, and accordingly we can use that much amount so as to calculate or so as to have the preparation of that respective solution. It means buffer solution is a solution which resists the change in pH even if small amount of acid or base is added to it, as we have seen it in the definition part. Buffer solution can be prepared by calculating the amounts of salt and weak base or weak acid. Okay, weak base or weak acid as per the formula or as per the type of buffer solution. It means what type of buffer solution we have to use. Accordingly, we can use the Henderson equation. So what is the Henderson equation? This is known as Henderson equation. These two, pH of acidic buffer. Listen, you can see this is acidic buffer. If pH of acidic buffer is there, then this pH of acidic buffer is equal to pKa plus log of salt upon weak acid concentration. As we know how we are preparing the acidic buffer, we are taking weak acid, okay, weak acid, and it's salt with strong base. So the pH of weak acidic buffer, whatever we require. For example, if you have to prepare the buffer solution of 4 pH, suppose this value is 4. If you have to prepare a buffer solution whose pH is 4, it means that required to be 4. So pKa, suppose here we are taking acetic acid, though pKa value of that acetic acid is to be taken, or that particular acid is taken, whatever the acid you are taking here. So pKa value of that particular, it is to be taken here, and then log of concentration of salt upon weak acid concentration. Log of concentration of salt upon concentration of weak acid. This is the formula by which we can find out the amount. Here we require the buffer solution of 4 pH capacity, right? So pKa value will be also known. It means this value is known. It means we can get entire value of log of this salt upon acid concentration, weak acid concentration, by using this formula. It means by using this formula, Henderson equation, we can find out this particular value. That is log of salt concentration upon weak acid concentration, and then by taking analog of that term, we can have the ratio of yes, this will be the ratio of salt concentration upon weak acid concentration, and accordingly that much amounts, that much proportions we can take, and accordingly we can prepare the pH of the buffer solution of required pH. Accordingly we can prepare the buffer solution of required pH. Similarly, if we require the pOH of buffer solution is to be it means the formula is pOH of buffer solution equal to pKb plus log of salt upon weak base concentration. In that case, if you have to prepare a buffer solution whose pOH is suppose 3, suppose pOH is 3, then but how to prepare it? So this is our required value. It means this value is known. pKb, what is the we can say pOH of basic buffer. So pKb value is to be also known. Suppose ammonium hydroxide we have taken, so it's ammonium hydroxide value of pKb of ammonium hydroxide will be known. It means we have to just identify this particular entity, that is log of salt upon weak base concentration, and accordingly we can calculate, or we can say that much amount can be taken to prepare this particular solution, and then that solution will have this much pOH or this much pH. So in this way, this Henderson equation will be useful for knowing, or we can say for preparing the solution of required pH values. Here, what are the pKa and pKb values? So pKa is equal to minus log of Ka and pKb equal to minus log of Kb. As we know the formula, pH equal to minus log of H plus sign concentration. pH equal to minus log of H plus sign concentration. Similarly, pKa equal to minus log of this Ka. pH equal to minus log of H plus sign concentration. So pKa equal to minus log of K, and pKb equal to minus log of Kb. So what is meant by K and Kb? You know that these are dissociation constant, we can say, or we can say reaction constants that can be calculated by using law of mass action. So Ka stands for dissociation constant of acid, and Kb stands for dissociation constant of base, weak acid and weak base respectively. So you know about K and Kb, how to calculate them. Concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. That is by applying law of mass action, we can calculate this K and Kb. So in this way, this is about how the buffer solution is prepared. The possible question among on this is how to prepare buffer solution. For preparing buffer solution, which equation is to be used? So the answer is Henderson equation. What is that Henderson equation? These two are called as Henderson equations. Okay, pH of acidic buffer, pH of basic buffer. That's it. Okay.